Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. I'm stuck indoors at the moment because Jim's off school, not very well. So if you hear battleship noises and general mayhem, that's him watching a film. I think it's actually called Battleship. I don't know. Yeah, he's just on the sofa with a duvet in his pillow and whatnot. There's a lot of bugs going around, that's for sure. So I hope you're all well. He's not, but he's okay. So I thought, well, you know what? Thanks to David. No, sorry, bear with. I find it David. I think it was David. Oh, where is it? Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, so where was I? Yes, David Small gave me a whole big recipe for bread, which was really nice of you, David. Thank you for that. And I thought, well, you know what? I'm gonna make some bread, especially as we're stuck indoors, and some nice homemade bread would go down well. The only thing that might scupper me is I've got ancient yeast, which is a real, I didn't realise until I sort of raided my cupboard for yeast. I think it's 2021. I don't know if I'm going to try and see if you can see. Hold on. Can you see the date? You probably can't, to be fair. Oh, I don't know. Let me have a look. See, 2021 August. That was when it was all the rage. Do you remember during lockdown, everybody was making bread and you couldn't get hold of yeast and all that kind of stuff. And if it went on the shelves, it sold out really quick. I think even, I don't know, I can't remember about flour, but yeast was really hard to get hold of. So that's from then. I don't think I've made bread since. So I'm really excited. Apart from, what am I talking about? I made that bread that was really, it was really hard to saw to start with. The crust was strong. But I want to do it this time in, make 2 cobs. So I've got my prepared tins. And remember the bowls? Gillian Henson, these bowls are absolutely brilliant and I'm using them today, which is very exciting. Thank you so much, Gillian, because when I opened them on the other vlog, there was no note, wasn't there? But you had put a note in, but obviously the seller had, or I don't know, I suppose it is the seller, down to the seller, not either, well, human error. But they're brilliant, look at them, they look so cool, and they come with airtight lids. Yeah, fantastic. So I'm abundant with bowls and you can never have enough. And this is from Carol Watkins. I mean, this is one of them. And I'm going to be mixing the bread in that. So that's all very, very good, because normally I would have to clean. I had one bowl. I'd have to clean it to use it for multiple, you know, when you have to use it again. So let's get down to make this bread, because I could really do with a nice warm crust with butter on it. That would be lovely for lunch. So yeah, I hope this is the thing though. I hope this doesn't scupper my what do you call it? Plans to make bread. I mean, it's 2 years old, flipping heck. Yeah, so let's just get to it. I'm going to put you up here so you can see down below. See you in a bit. So I'm just adding the flour, the salt, and the sugar. Just mix them. The yeast. I've got 300 ml of warm water, and hopefully this will activate this yeast. Oh, mustn't forget, I like a bit of oil as well. Obviously, you may like something else. Like some people add butter, don't they, and all sorts, but I like olive oil. Right, let's bung this in and hope for the best. Right, I'm going to put it in a oil bowl. Hope it rises. I'm just going to add cling film on the top. Ooh, boing. Yeah, and stick it in the warmest room, which is the room Jimmy's in. There's, it's pretty cold at the moment. Apparently there's an Arctic blast coming. Woohoo! So I hope you're all warm. Right, let's hope this rises. Yeah, see you in a bit. Well, the yeast worked, which is amazing, and quite frankly, I am actually amazed. It has taken 3 hours though to get to this. Yeah, it's I'm gonna knock it back, give it a punch, reshape it into 2 bowls, put it in these, and then I'm gonna try for the very first time dehydrate to prove it in that, see if that works. I'm completely winging this. It's probably not a good idea, but hey ho. So let's get. Oh, that's nicely done. Well, let's get this out. Well, it's lovely and warm. I want it in 2. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's try and dehydrate. These are still warm in here actually because I've just done some rhubarb and apple pies. That's in another vlog. What's the yeah? Let's get it in. Okay, I've never tried dehydrate, so I'm weirdly excited. So dehydrate. Can you turn it down? Yeah, I want it on the lowest setting, I reckon. What does that even mean? Is that hours? Oh my god. Just an hour. Ooh, right, let's see how that turns out. See you in a bit. Right, it's just stopped, but I've no idea how that's how's it gonna look? Huh? Yeah, it didn't really raise. It spread out a bit. It has got slightly larger. Right, I'm gonna cook these now. I'm not gonna do anything else. Let me think. What do I need to do? I'll be back in a tick. So I'm gonna bake 180 for 30 minutes. Oh, match. Yeah, see how that goes. See you in a bit. Right, it's about to end, and I have no idea what it's like inside there, and I might have to flip the bread. The underside might not be cooked. We shall soon find out. I've got my trusty grabber thingy. Alright, let's have a look. Oh my god. That's well done, I'd say. Oh, I need a chopping board. Hold up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez, oh. Check that out. This Okay, I need to check the underside. Let's have a look. Should we try and flip it? Well, that's quite good. I wasn't sure if that was going to be cooked or not. Well, I reckon, yeah, the underside's pretty good. I'm going to let these cool, and we are going to saw into one and see what it tastes like. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, let's cut this. Cut this bread. Oh, let's see what it's like right in the middle. I'll cut it right in the middle. Oh yeah. Anyone want a plank? Oh no, look. I mean, this is from, the yeast was 2 years old. So yeah, I mean, it's a bit doughy. It's still like bread though. Let's cut a slice. And I'm going to butter it. I need to nail bread though, because I do love homemade bread. Right, it's not butter, but it's nice marge. It's like clover, but a lot cheaper from Lidl. Yeah. It's a bit like bready cake. Excuse me. But yeah, it tastes nice. Yeah, that was a bit of a fail. Such a shame. I need to nail bread. I really do. I think using yeast that's not ancient is probably a really good idea. I might buy some on my next shop. I definitely will. It's edible. It'll fill you up. Yeah, needs work. I'll have to go back to the drawing board. Right. Thank you everybody for watching. Anthony Hall, thank you for your Facebook link to a new Ninja group for people with a Ninja, like a Ninja 300, 400 and 451 and the 15-in-1. I'll put a link in the description. Head over. It's a new channel and they're not going to tolerate sort of not very nice comments, because I know a lot of Facebook groups, the really large ones, people are getting a bit, you know, the trolls and all that. You should do it this way, and you know, all that kind of stuff, you know, where they're very overly critical about using a Ninja, which is ridiculous when it's a Ninja Facebook group. So I'll put the link in the description and go over and join and support a new Ninja group. Especially when it's early, it'll be, you know, help it grow. That'll be really nice. Yeah. So thank you everybody for watching. Knock, knock, knock. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for all your lovely comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.